Of course, there was the collaboration of those who agreed with Tāne. The likes of Tupai or Paia, the likes of Uru Te Ngānana. From the east, the sunrise, the glow of the sunset that we know is the mana of Uru Te Ngānana. And Uru Te Ngānana gave forward some stone blades. Nobody really knew what they were for. Te Awhiorangi and Te Whironui. And then gave 6 poles. And between Tupai and Tāne, they decided that Tāne would separate the sky and the earth again, and Tupai would put the poles in place. Another one of the relatives of the atua came forward and said, I can't think of how to contribute and assist this. And so I sacrifice myself to use my body to be able to make these as useful tools. And of course that was the story of Kaupeka. His legs were used as the handles for the 2 stone blades that were given by Uru Te Ngānana. His intestines and his hair were used as the lashings, and the top of his skull, his cranium, was used as coverings to protect the lashing. And so he became the first sacrifice, the kairarau. So every carved meeting house that ever was and ever will be unbalanced by debate and will require sacrifice. Not the blood sacrifice that we are constantly told by the criticizers of our culture, but the sacrifice that we must make as tribal people and for working together. At the very last moment, the honour of taking the life of Kaupeka was given to Tukariri, a willing contributor to this kaupapa. The very moment that he came to kill, he realised the enormity of the act of taking the life of his brother Kaupeka. At this very moment of delivering the final blow, his face grimaced. And to remember that mana, he was known from that moment on as Tu Mata Uinga, the grimacing face of Tu.